Welcome to this video on the empathy paradox, where we explore how high emotional intelligence can sometimes become a corporate liability. This video examines why high EI employees struggle in dysfunctional cultures, the resulting systemic pathology, and the imperative to build a robust relational infrastructure. We must distinguish between challenging workplaces, which foster purpose-driven friction, and toxic workplaces, where persistent disrespect creates destructive anxiety. Social threats, such as exclusion or unfairness, activate the same brain centers as physical injury. High EI individuals are particularly vulnerable to these stressors in toxic environments. When empathy is weaponized, it leads to a loop of observation, failed intervention, systemic blockage, and internalization, eventually resulting in burnout and learned helplessness. The impact of incivility radiates from the individual to the team and the enterprise, causing decreased work effort, quality decline, and significant financial loss. Toxic cultures act as an evolutionary filter, weeding out high EI talent and creating a brittle environment that is incapable of innovation or trust. To build resilient organizations, leaders must engineer relational infrastructure with the same rigor as financial controls, creating structural, cultural antibodies. Compassionate leadership acts as an engine of performance. By noticing, interpreting, feeling, and acting, leaders can foster environments that support growth and honesty. Psychological safety must be built into the team infrastructure through transparent decision-making, anonymous reporting, and mistake tolerance policies. High EI individuals often perform heavy emotional labor. Organizations should provide targeted support through explicit acknowledgement and boundary-setting protocols. Moving beyond reactive fixes, organizations must apply double-loop learning to address root causes, structurally dismantling toxicity rather than just treating symptoms. Resilient organizations distribute cultural stewardship throughout the network, moving away from fragile hierarchies toward continuous, observable behavioral norms. Culture requires continuous monitoring. By tracking psychological safety, exit data, and turnover as leading indicators, organizations can proactively maintain cultural health. Ultimately, high emotional intelligence is an enterprise asset. The core challenge for leaders is whether they will invest in this infrastructure before their most capable people decide to leave.